Buenos dias, damas y caballeros. Again, welcome to another pre-recorded vlog of the Vlogcaster. We recorded it last night for publication this morning. Today, we are going to discuss about this impending testimony of former Davao Court Sheriff Abe Andres, who was he was the sheriff who was badly beaten by then Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte in 2011 during a demolition order or demolition procedure being done at a contested land in Davao City, and that was the place where Sara Duterte, responding to the demolition activity, beat Sheriff Abe Andres black and blue at tinuro-turo pa siya. Ngayon, as we reported earlier, he was invited or he was listed by the prosecution team to be one of their witnesses, along with psychologists and PNP officials and members of the media to testify that Sara Duterte, as we have watched, as all of us have watched on live broadcast, that Sara Duterte indeed threatened to kill President Bongbong Marcos, First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, former Speaker Martin Romualdez, and that she had already hired an assassin to kill these three top personalities. So Andres will be testifying to show that Sara is not only making an empty threat, she's really capable of harming and, in this case, killing people. And as we have, as you may have seen in many video about the beating of Court Sheriff Abe Andres, it really shows that Sara Duterte has a very uncontrollable temper, and that her threats are not a joke. Of course, sinabi naman niya, no joke, no joke. So it's really a real threat. At everyone is anticipating the possible testimony of Andres. But ngayon pa lang, there seems to be a demolition job against him. There seems to be may mga lumalabas na mga fake accounts ni Andres. Yan siya. Yan ang picture niya. At nakakatuwa kasi kung official ka ng Supreme Court or bawal ka mag-post ng mga ganyan. Yung mga, ito nga, mga luxury car pa ito. At yung background, parang yung nabisita ko sa Lake Como sa may Switzerland. So, ibig sabihin, nagpapakita, meron siya mga luxury car na he owns. Meron pa na, meron pang plate number AB 0077. So, pwede natin sabihin AI at nakalakos pa siya. Pero, di ba, nasa Constitution that government officials must live modest lives. So, I doubt kung totoo itong account na ito. Kasi very controversial ngayon ito. In fact, nagka-viral na nga yung post niya. Today, as I'm recording this, it's the evening of Friday, at nag-post siya ng mga early morning. Ito ang post niya, at ngayon pinapakalat na ito ng mga DDS. It shows that he is backing out, or he is refusing to testify in behalf of the prosecution. Kahit klaro-klaro na sa video na binugbog siya at na-hospital siya, pero hindi na daw siya magte-testify. Ito ang sinabi niya sa post niya, ha? Please do not involve me in any partisan political matters. I have been appointed in the Supreme Court as a Human Resource Management Officer, a second-level position. It is my position ever since to refuse to comment on the incident when I was holding a first-level position, particularly Sheriff 4 of the Regional Trial Court. The media reports are self-explanatory. So, in Tagalog, sinasabi niya kung ito ay tunay na Facebook account niya talaga. Ha? Sabi niya, wag niyo na lang isama ako sa mga awayan sa politika. Na-appoint na ako as Human Resource Management Officer ng Supreme Court at medyo mataas ng posisyon ko. At dati pa naman, yung posisyon ko ay hindi ako nagkukomento ukol dito. Ha? Kahit pa nung sheriff ako ng Regional Trial Court. At sabi niya, the media reports are self-explanatory. So ito lang maganda. Parang sinasabi niya dito, hindi nyo na ako kailangan para mag-testify dahil makikita naman sa mga video na talagang, at inamin naman ni Sara as we played earlier in our video the other day, na inamin naman ni Sara na high blood na siya dito at nawala ng pasensya niya dito kay Abby Andres at nabugbog niya ito, pero pina-hospital daw niya ito. So siguro kung totoong account niya ito, baka binayaran na siya or tinakot yung pamilya niya. Although siguro tinanggal na siya ng Supreme Court doon sa Davao at baka nandito na pinasettle na siya dito sa Manila kasi parang dito na siya naka-assign sa Supreme Court, pero baka natatakot pa rin siya, in danger pa rin ang buhay niya. Kaya ayaw na niya. Malalaman natin of course ito, kung ito ba talaga ang sa loobin niya. Kung ito ba talaga na ayaw ba talaga niya sumali sa hearing. Pero I don't think may choice siya dito because I believe the summons will be sent to the Supreme Court at I'm sure i-allow naman siya ng mga superior niya, mga justices, para mag-testify siya. So either tinakot na naman siya to make this statement kung totoo itong account niya, or baka may ginawa na naman na fake account niya. Kasi parang duda ako sa mga post dito na nagpapakita, kasi parang nagpapakita dito na ito yung post niya eh. Parang public announcement eh. 6 o'clock na ngayon, 6:30, pero this was posted 9 hours ago. So, early this morning. So, or mid-morning. So, kung totoong account ito, ibig sabihin, baka tinakot na naman siya. Tingnan nyo, meron ba matinong official ng Supreme Court nagpapakita ng ganyan karangyaan, no? Siyempre, mga mga BMW motorcycle pa ata yan. Dito nagpapakita, nakalakos na naman siya, ang daming alahas. Siguro, nakikita ko, paninira na naman ito sa kanya na para sabihin na binayaran siya. Baka sabihin na pati siya nakatanggap ng maleta at binayaran siya ng oposisyon para sirain yung mga Duterte. Siya na nabugbog, siya pa ang sinisiraan. Tingnan nyo, another background na naman. Parang sa Lake Como talaga yan eh. The same car, Abe 0077, pwede rin siyang gumawa. Ito, naka-Porsche. So, I don't think na kung talagang official na siya ngayon at top level o sabi niya second level official na siya sa Supreme Court, I doubt na i-allow siya ng mga superior niya to post things like this na showing, at saka parang Superman pati Red Bull sumasali siya sa mga Red Bull kwan at nagpapapost na likuran niya yung mga piano. So ibig sabihin, although itong picture baka kinuha sa kanya na sa head office ito ng Supreme Court of the Philippines, ha? O baka ito kinuha lang sa account niya. Tingnan natin. Malalaman naman natin kung ito may mga hindi yan unbecoming yan of a Supreme Court officer na nagpapakita ka, may mga collection ka ng baril, pati yung piano niya, Abe rin ang pangalan, no? May pangalan rin na Abe na sa kwan niya. At parang pinapakita, class na Subaru. Class talaga siya. Baka later on sisirain nila ito na corrupt officer ito na nabayaran. Tingnan nyo, puro mga expensive cars. So we will soon find out. Pero syempre, sana makita ito at i-share nyo itong vlog, i-like nyo itong vlog, makita itong mga miyembro ng prosecution team at kausapin siya kung talagang pumapalag siya sa summon o sinusuway niya yung summon ng impeachment court, which I believe has power over him. So, ito lang muna. So, we will find out soon enough kung post niya ba talaga ito, kung ayaw niya ba talaga mag-testify. Although sinabi naman niya, parang he stands by the media coverage na kung nagpapakita na nabugbog nga talaga siya ni Sara Duterte. Pero kung talagang siyang sumulat nito, I hope he reconsiders and I hope his superiors will order him to appear before the trial court, the impeachment court, kasi very important and relevant yung testimony niya to pin down Sara Duterte for culpable violation of the Constitution and betrayal of public trust. So thank you very much everyone for watching. Thank you very much for joining me in this vlog. Good evening to all or good morning to all and see you in my next vlog.